Hello children, today we will start our topic of discussion regarding prospectus. Now you all must be aware of this, that prospectus we have already discussed in the incorporation stage of a company. So prospectus is the um, introduction of the company, about the company to the outsiders. Okay, so prospectus mainly contains the broader objectives or the main objectives of the business or the company. So now we will get into the details of prospectus. So a company's prospectus is a formal legal document designed to provide information and full details about an investment offering for sale to the public. So this is the prospectus through which the shares are being issued to the public. Okay, so the prospectus contains the objectives as well as the rules and the details of the issue of shares. Okay, so prospectus is a formal document that is required and filed with the SEC that provides the details about an investment offering for sale to the public. Now this document is used to help the potential investors to make a more informed decision on whether or not to invest. So through the prospectus only the investors can have a broader knowledge, detailed knowledge about the shares and about the company, what are its objectives and how that is going to be executed. So everything is given in details in prospectus. Okay. Now here we have the contents of prospectus, that means what are the items that is included in the prospectus. So first is the name and address of the company's registered office. Then the nature of business of the company, that means what kind of business the company is going to undertake. Details about the shares, that means what are the types of shares that has to be issued, how many shares, what is the price of each share, how the allotment procedure will be executed, how the refund will be executed. Every details about the shares and issue of shares will be given in prospectus. Okay, then we have main objective of the company along with other objectives. Then name and address of the directors, amount of minimum subscription. Minimum subscription I have already discussed with you earlier. Then provisions regarding remuneration of directors, employees, etc. So these are the few contents of prospectus. There are many other contents also, but these are the basic ones which you need to be acquainted with. Okay, now we will move on to importance of provision. So importance of prospectus is that it gives the detailed information about the shares, about the company's objectives, about the directors, everything. That means it is a like if you go through the prospectus you will get to know each and every details about the company. So this much for today. If anyone faces any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you children.